Welcome to the Mastering Excel series. Today, we're delving into one of Excel's most powerful functions, VLOOKUP. This function is a game changer for anyone who wants to efficiently search and retrieve specific information from their data. Let's jump right in. VLOOKUP, also known as vertical lookup, is a fundamental function that allows you to search for a value in the first column of a dataset and retrieve a corresponding value from another column in the same row. It's incredibly handy for tasks like looking up employee salaries, customer details, or any other data lookup needs. Now, let's demystify VLOOKUP with a practical example. Here's an extended dataset with employee names, departments, salaries, and hire dates. Suppose we want to find out the employee's department, salary, and hire date of a specific employee. Let's search for the specific employee's department. Here's how you can use VLOOKUP to find the department of a specific employee. Equals VLOOKUP, C3 for lookup, select from C4, F28 from sheet 1 for range, 2 for index number, false for exact match. Here's a breakdown the formula. Lookup value. This is the value you want to find in the first column of your table array. In our case, it's the employee name in cell C3 of sheet 2. We can simply reference that cell. Table array. This represents the range of cells containing the data to be searched. In sheet 1, this encompasses both the columns for employee name and department. It's crucial to be precise when selecting this range. Since we're searching for the department based on the employee name, we should choose the range starting from the employee name column. Additionally, in the VLOOKUP formula, absolute references are utilized with $signs, $symbol. These ensure that the cell references remain fixed, even if the formula is copied. For instance, data from sheet 1, C4 to F28 would maintain its reference integrity if copied to other cells or sheets. Column index number. This tells VLOOKUP which column within the table array to return data from. Since departments are in the second column of sheet 1, we'll enter 2. Range lookup. This determines how VLOOKUP finds the match. We want an exact match, so enter false. Using similar formulas, you can find the salary and hire date of specific employees. Here it is. This is how VLOOKUP helps to find the specific data from various range of dataset. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP can only search for values to the right of the lookup value. In this example, if you wanted to search for an employee's name based on their salary or hire date, VLOOKUP wouldn't be suitable. Additionally, VLOOKUP requires an exact match between the lookup value and the values in the lookup column. If there's no exact match, VLOOKUP will return an error, #n/a, or an incorrect result. If there's a typo in an employee's name, VLOOKUP won't find the correct salary or hire date. Furthermore, VLOOKUP only finds the first match. If the lookup value column contains duplicate values, VLOOKUP will only return the data from the first occurrence. This can be misleading if you need data from a later matching row. Despite these limitations, VLOOKUP remains an essential tool in Excel for data analysis tasks. It's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Excel's capabilities. Stay tuned for more episodes of the Mastering Excel series, where we'll explore advanced Excel techniques to supercharge your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.